What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. Caspians, we are back with another video. Go support my previous Casper video, guys, because we are absolutely crushing it. Casper is one of the few, not even one of the few. Kaspa is the unicorn in the crypto space. It started breaking out before any other project started breaking out. It started pumping and going crazy, 20 to 30 to 40% before any other project started to make a move, right? It didn't care about the SEC FUD, none of the FUD that was happening. It just absolutely went bonkers. And this is just a baby pump, guys. This is just a baby pump of what's to come. Always remember, though, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. Go support all my previous Casper videos. I got them in a playlist. Let's get each video to 10,000 views a piece so we can spread awareness of this project and get it out there to everybody, right? Go share each of these Casper videos to every Caspian you know, and to your friends and family. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, y'all already know, man. But yeah, Casper sitting at that 2 cent mark. When I started covering the project, I was waiting for the retrace to happen, so we got in the channel around that 1.5 cent mark, right? And then we've gotten a little bit of profit along the way, but this is just the start. This is a baby pump. Casper eventually will go to $1 to potentially $3 in the future, guys. I know it. The technology is there. We've been researching, diving deep into the project, and the technology is nothing like we've seen before, with high-speed layer 1 technology on a proof of work DAG blockchain, guys. So I'm telling you guys, do not fade, do not ignore this project. Cas is absolutely going to crush it. So my Caspians, I gotta tell y'all, I hope y'all ready for the journey, for the ride to $1 to potentially $3. Again, how many Casper you need to take a huge W? I say 100k Casper, right? Which is around $2,100 right now. I say 100k Casper is all you need for a huge W. $2,100. I think people could afford that. I think that's affordable, for the average person. But always remember, none of what I say is financial advice. Never invest more than you're willing to lose in any project. Now, recently, I found some nice tweets for Casper from the Casper community. This is from 0x2080. Make Cas acceptance everywhere. Casper currency, the #1 game account trading platform, IGV, now accepts payments in Cas. Whether it's FIFA, World of Warcraft, Fortnite, or 500 plus other games, IG Vault has got you covered for accounts, gold, and items. Look at this. The #1 game account trading platform, IGV, now accepts payments in Cas. Billions of dollars saved transactions over 16 years. Save speed. 3 million game assets trading marketplace. 6 million plus players. 600,000 plus asset over 500 games. And this company accepts Cas. Look at that. Because you know why? It's fast. It's one of the fastest, if not the fastest, blockchain, because of the technology, guys. And that's why they got Cas on there. We're coming for Ethereum. We already got Litecoin bodied. We're eventually gonna go for Bitcoin, man. This is super great news to see. So shout out to OX2080 for that. And yeah, man, this is how it's gonna be. Cas is gonna be integrated as a payment solution because of the technology. When people are sending or making transactions through Doge, Litecoin, Bitcoin, for example, it's very slow. Not with Cas, man. It's instant. It's instant for Cas, man. Glitched. Cas forcing everyone to be its maxi. Nobody dare to deny or neglect the facts of how Casper is a piece of art in the crypto market. Nothing looks like Cas. It is the one and only, and that is a fact. This is quote retweet from Dr. Martin Hayesbeck. Hayesbeck. I'm not supposed to endorse individual assets, but Cas is technically the only thing that interests me now, not financial advice. And that was a quote retweet. I'm telling you, man, people are becoming Casper maxis, just like how we have BTC maxis. A few Casper maxis already came to my live streams as well. The project is such a gem. It's the only unicorn right now, man. And you could just tell, look at what it did in the bear market. This was all pumps throughout the bear market last year, and guess what it's doing now? It had a nice little cool off phase. It's ready to go again, man. Look at this green body candle, just ready to rip, right? Can't fade projects like this, guys. I'm telling you, you're gonna fade generational wealth fading projects like this. Even with the 100k Kaspa, it goes to $2-3. You got $200-300k right in the future. You telling me you're not happy with that from $2,000 invested? You too greedy then. I know you want the full milli, but guess what? You might be like, well, it's too late. No, it's not, because guess what? Even if you don't get the full milli, you still getting 100k from crypto with a higher probability of success here, right? 70 to 80% probability of success here. What you're gonna do? Put that 2k somewhere else and get rugged? Hey man, that's on you guys. Moonshot Josh, we are now in that part of Casper growth cycle where other project communities either try and ride the coattails of Casper and or bash it, and they are now entering the denial stage. Next up, anger stage. Nakamoto consensus 2.0. So they went through the shock phase, denial phase, which they're trying to deny it. Then they're gonna be angry when they see keeps crushing it. They're gonna bargain. They're gonna think to themselves, this is around the like 20 cents 30 cents mark. They're gonna bargain. They're gonna get depressed around 50 60 cents. They're gonna start testing it around 80 cents, and then at $1, that's when they buy it. That's what they're gonna accept it. They're gonna have acceptance at $1 Casper. Oh my gosh, man. Jim Ski Bum, I guess Jack still doesn't know about Casper. Fear launch proof of work running at 1 block per second. Founder's work used by Ethereum among countless other projects. Remember, the founder of Casper's work, is it Yona Toshi? I think it's Yona, just to make sure, man. Yeah, Yonatan Sampolinsky. So yeah, Yona Toshi, right? His white paper and all the information he built out was used in the early developments of projects like Ethereum. Do your own research, guys. That means Ethereum's development started off from getting information and code from Cas, right? And other projects as well. Smart contracts coming, which enables a true decentralized stablecoin that can scale. Cas equal a store of value and scales, and I completely agree with that. And Jack right here, which is former CEO of Twitter, Jack Dorsey. Bitcoin and Nostr are the only two truly censorship resistant technologies at scale. He hasn't found out about Cas yet. He eventually will, though. When it's at $1, $2, right? Just now, Casper has reached supply of 19 billion Cas. This means that the 2/3 of the supply is now minted. Perfect prospects for the great rise of Cas. Nice and very bullish stuff. The full supply of Cas is basically out, guys. The full supply of Cas is basically out. And it's just the mining is how the rest of the supply will get out, so people have to mine. But the mining difficulty obviously gets more difficult the higher the price is, right? Which also makes the price rise even higher because it's proof of work technology. It's the same thing with Bitcoin and the hash rates. The more the miner difficulty is, the more the price on Bitcoin is. The higher those hash rates go, the higher Bitcoin goes. So the same thing with Casper, man. Shout out to Casper enthusiasts for this one. Make sure I like and retweet all of these. See how I'm liking and retweeting the Cas tweets in the community, spreading the word of Cas, man. You guys got to show love to my videos the same way. Go share these videos out with the rest of the Casper community, man. Thank you guys so much for watching, Caspians. Please, if you can, to support the channel, become a Patreon. I suggest my Crypto Elite tier, where you get my buy alerts, sell alerts, and access to my private Discord, where I give you guys projects that could potentially get you some gains, so you could get more Casper, you could get more projects that you're bullish on and accumulate them. You know, I'm telling you, that's how we're gonna flip and get our bags packed for the bull run, guys. That's the one of the other ways as well. You know, short-term spot trading. You just get in a play, get a 2x here, 3x. You know, take that amount, go right back into Casper, right? So yeah, please support the Patreon. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Support all my previous videos as well. Let's make these go viral and get a bunch of people to learn about Casper. As soon as they open YouTube, they see Casper videos right in their face, right? And then all of a sudden you see the Casper community just keeps exploding. Thank you guys once again for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.